Today we want to remove rear seats from Mercedes W116 S-Class. It's very simple to do on your own. We want to remove this bottom cushion and also this upper cushion. In order to remove this bottom cushion, there are two buttons we need to press, and they are in the middle of each seat. This is the button. You press this and you need to pull hard this seat up. This will release the seat. Same goes from other side. And let's press these buttons and remove this cushion. Small note, this bottom cushion is really heavy. Let's proceed by removing this backrest, and in order to remove this we need to undo 3 bolts, and let me show you the location. So basically in this corner, or actually here is supposed to be one bolt holding this in place. Now it's a bit rusty and the bolt is missing, so probably somebody already tried to change this and not sure why they did not put the bolt here. Let's check the middle bolt. So on this middle side here, yeah, it's supposed to have one more bolt. This one is also missing, and it's safe we do think the third one will be missing as well. And yes, definitely. So 2 bolts in the corners and 1 in the middle, and when you remove these bolts you will be able to remove this backrest. Basically what you do is you just push it upwards and it will be removed. Let's start by pulling this seat belt, and then we can place hands here and then push it upwards, and seat is now removed from the slots that is keeping it. We need to do the same for other side. And we just wiggle this out. It's also heavy, like the previous one, so take your time. After we remove this backrest, now you see these 2 slots. Basically here the seat jams in, and because of that we pull it upwards to remove it. But basically if you want to put it back, you would put it a bit higher and then jam into these 2 slots. Here you also have seat belts, a mechanism in order to if you need to maintain them, you can do it afterwards. And I found the reason why I'm missing here bolts. Somebody was painting something and totally forgot to mask this, and probably he just did not know how to put it back correctly. I will definitely add the bolts here. Thank you for watching. Have fun.